Yeah.
Ako ba? Shit, okay, sige. Start ka na.
Yeah.
Let's do this. We got symbols, we got button, we got Morse code, 12 bars, and memory game. Okay, so Morse code muna.
Ikaw pumili.
Hindi,
Okay, go.
hindi. 12 bars muna tayo.
Okay, go.
Blue 1A, black
Blue
2B,
1A.
and then red 3C.
Blue 1A, black 2B, tapos red 3C.
Mm-mm.
Cut mo yung black tsaka red.
Uh, blue 4B, blue 5A.
Blue 4B, blue 5A. Yun lang?
Yep.
Wala kang ikakat.
Black 7A, black 8C.
Black 7A, black 8C. Cut mo yung black 7A.
Yun lang. Okay, so
Tapos na?
red 10C, 11, red 10C, red 11C.
Red 10C, red 11C. Wala kang ikakat.
Nice. Alright, memory game. Number 1 display.
Okay? Wait lang, wala ako dun. Nasaan yun? Okay, go. Second
Number,
position.
I press 2.
Okay.
Display 2.
Same position.
Press 2 ulit.
Okay.
Display 4.
Hanapin mo yung button na may 4.
First position. Display 3.
Same position as stage 2. So, position 2.
Press 2.
Okay.
Display 4.
First position.
Mali.
Eh?
Ulit tayo sa simula. Okay. Display 3.
Third position.
Press 2. Display 4.
Same na position.
So, 3 ulit. Third position. Okay. Press 1.
Okay.
Display 4.
Hanapin mo yung 4.
Second position. Display 2.
Okay. Pindutin mo na sa first position.
Press 2. Display 1.
Same label na pinrest mo sa stage 1.
Ano pinindot
2.
mo ng stage 1? 2. Done.
2.
Okay. So, symbols. Baliktad na question mark.
Okay.
H na may curve sa baba or parang may extra line sa baba.
Okay.
Raketa and star na walang line. Or star na walang shade.
Una yung raketa, star, H, baliktad na question mark.
Okay na. Okay, Morse code tayo. Okay. Dot dot dash dot
Dot, dot,
dash
dash,
dash
dot,
dot dot dot
dash,
dot
dash, dot, dot.
dash dot 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 dot
3.555 megahertz.
Ano pa yung wala natin? What the fuck? Blue button abort.
Hold mo.
White.
5. 1.
Oh, okay. Hindi ko na ma-release. GG.
Uy,
31 seconds and
ang bilis,
66 milliseconds.
ang bilis ko dun sa Morse code,
Kaya nga,
man.
nagulat ako dun. Ang bilis mo dun.
Nakita ko FL eh. Isa lang yung FL.
Nice. Nice. Gusto mo last one, pick up the pace too.
Ayaw mo na ba? Last one na yun.
Last one. Gusto mo magtuloy-tuloy?
Yeah, sige. Hindi, ayoko na. Sakit na ng ulo ko, man.
Last one, pick
Gusto
up the
bulit
pace
sa
too.
Skyrim. Sure.
2 minutes, 30 seconds, and 5 modules. Kaya ba natin to?
Yeah! Kaya
Alright,
natin yan.
let's
Tayo
try.
pa.
Let's try. Alright, good luck sa atin. Okay, so we have wires, we have words, symbols.
Bumili ka
Oh
na
wait,
lang.
madali lang. Okay. Wires, 4 wires, blue, white, yellow, white.
Blue, white, yellow, white. Blue, white, yellow, white. More than red, last were yellow. More than blue, white, yellow, white.
Yep,
Cut mo second war.
hindi gumana.
Eh?
Yeah,
Blue, white, yellow, white.
yeah.
Blue, white, yellow, white.
Wait, parang iba tong ano na to. Parang iba tong wires na to, Patrick.
Ha?
Kasi ano eh, parang naka-squish. Wait. Diba yung... Wait, no, ganun din. What the fuck? Alright, ulit tayo. Ulit tayo.
Ulit nga.
Ulit tayo, ulit tayo, ulit tayo.
Blue, white, yellow, white. There's more than one red. There are there are no red ones. Blue, white, yellow, white. White sinabi mo.
Kailangan ba natin
More than
tignan
one.
yung
Blue,
batteries
white,
or
yellow.
yung ano? Hindi naman na.
Wala.
Okay. Maze tayo.
Maze? Okay,
Mm.
go.
Bilog ay first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth row. And then ang second na bilog
First.
ay third column, second row.
Okay, nasan ka?
Fourth column, third row.
Okay.
Tapos
Saan
ang
yung red? Yung punta mo.
third column, fifth row.
Third column, fifth row. Down, left, down.
Nice. Then we have white button, abort.
White button, abort. Hold mo.
Okay. Red.
Red,
Yep.
1.
Blue button, hold.
Blue, hold. I-hold mo.
Blue.
4 in any position.
Okay, wait lang. Okay, symbols. Baliktad na A na
Okay.
may mata, H na may H
Okay.
na may telepono sa taas, Omega, and then Mokoko.
Okay, go. Yung ma-happy, yung inang balik na may mata, si Mokoko, tapos N na may telepono, tapos
Okay,
ohms.
ulit. Half-life na may linya sa taas, A na may tite,
Okay?
N na may curve na baliktad, tapos H na may curve sa baba.
Yung may tite, Half-Life, may baliktad na N, tapos H na maarte.
Oh! 33 seconds.
Ay!
Holy shit! Oh. Oh.
Ay
Nice!
na may tite.
Yeah, yun na itawag natin dun. 3.95 seconds. Di pa natin na 34 seconds yan. Sayang.
Galing natin, man.
Holy shit, we got it. We actually
Ay,
got it. GG's.
GG.
Maganda pa naman yung susunod. One mistake, talo na tayo kaagad.
Ayoko nga.
Ayaw, no? Malapit na tayo
Sige
sa
na nga.
need.
Sige, one last one. One last one, sure.
Malapit na tayo sa needy. Actually, 2 level na lang, tapos may needy na.
Ay, di gawin na lang natin yung 2 level. Ayoko na mag-DD.
Okay, tapos ito 8 minutes, 8 modules eh. So, yung susunod
Yeah.
ng, okay. So, 5 minutes,
Ikaw,
ito,
natutuwa ako sa paggagawa nito sa
yeah.
pagtutunod na.
Okay lang din sa
Ikaw
akin
na
ako nung
mag-edit.
diffuse. Yeah, okay lang din sa akin.
Yeah, okay na yun. Yeah. Dituloy na lang natin hanggang dulo. Hanggang sa, before mag-needy.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, go.
We have wires.
Rumble na
Black,
wires.
yellow.
Black, yellow. 4 lang.
No, tatlo.
Black, yellow. Tatlo. Black, yellow. There's more than one. Yung red wire, cut the second one. Black, yellow. Cut second one.
Okay. Wires ulit. Black, white,
Okay.
blue, white, yellow.
Ilan yan?
6.
Ulit?
Black, white, Blue, white, yellow.
Black, white, black. Blue, white, yellow. No yellow wires, no. Exactly one that is more than white. Okay. Cut the fourth wire.
1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Memory game.
Okay.
Display 4.
Press the fourth. Nasa fourth position.
Press 4.
Okay.
Display 4.
Same position.
Press 3.
Okay.
Press 4. No, sorry. Display 4.
Hanapin mo yung button na may 4.
First position. Display 4 ulit.
Same position na pinrest mo sa stage 2.
So 4.
Fourth position.
Yep. I pressed number 2. And then display 4 ulit. What the fuck is this?
4, 3, 4. Hanapin mo yung may same level na stage 3. So 4. Hanapin mo yung
What the
level 4.
fuck? Puro 4 tayo dito Okay.
Okay, go.
And then words.
Okay.
Walang naka-display. What? First,
Okay. Lower left.
right. RIGHT.
Okay, go.
First, wait, right. Left. Yes.
Yes. Yung yes.
SEE.
SEE. Lower right.
Yes.
No. Okay, go.
Ready, press middle, left, what, yes. Na yung what, walang question mark.
Middle.
Blank. The word blank.
Middle right.
Okay, AY.
Go.
Middle right blank.
Middle.
Yes. Okay. Symbols. Star na walang shade, H na may curve sa baba, Q na may moon sa kaliwa, and then baliktad na question mark.
Q na may moon sa kaliwa, star na blank, H na maarte, tapos baliktad na question
Easy!
mark.
147.
Hey, baby! Walang
bilis nun.
mistake yan, bitch!
Okay, ang bilis dun. Okay, ang bilis
No
dun.
mistakes! No mistakes! Oh!
Holy shit.
Ito medyo matagal.
Ang bagal pala natin kasi 140, top 75% lang tayo. Ang bagal pala natin dun. Shit.
Wala tayong pake.
Alright. 8 modules, 8 minutes. Good luck. Start ka na. Tingnan natin kung ano meron dito.
Oh, fuck.
Complicated Wars Maze. Word at... Password muna tayo.
Hindi ka na agad. Okay.
GRMHSF.
GRM
HSF.
HSF. Okay.
LIJNYT.
Next.
NU boy CFL no at balik tayo sa U.
Next.
And then PXTZODP.
Okay.
Bulit na pala sa T. So, UY boy XRSUYB.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Wait lang. Antay mo ako.
Yep.
I G R R I wala F I wala R F G the fuck F S S. Okay. S what the fuck S T U study
On my way. Okay. Complicated wires.
Okay. Ano yung
Red,
first war?
red off star.
Red na may star.
Mhm.
Red, tapos star. Cut mo.
Blue na on, tas walang star.
Blue on. May parallel.
Wala.
Wag mo i-cut.
Um,
Next.
white lang. Off, off at off.
Cut mo.
Ganun din sa cut ko ulit. And then red
Cut
blue
ulit.
star.
Red, blue star. Ano yung last digit ng ano?
Number 2.
Cut mo.
Mali. Ayan mo
Eh?
na. Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang. Tapos na yung module. Okay. So, wire.
Next.
Simple wires.
Okay.
Blue, yellow, red, black, yellow, yellow.
Ilan ano yan?
Anim.
Oo, ulit.
Blue, yellow, red, black, yellow, yellow.
Blue, yellow, red, black, yellow, yellow. Fourth war.
1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Maze. Uh, first
Okay.
column pareho, tapos first at fourth row.
Okay.
Then ako ay nasa fifth column, second row. Ang target ay first column, third row.
Left, down.
Tas, ano after nun? Left na ulit? First column, third row.
First column, third row. Oh,
Nasa
left, up,
left, up.
left, down.
Okay, nice. Now we have memory game.
Wait lang. Go.
Display 4.
Fourth position.
Pressed 1.
Okay.
Display 3.
Same na position.
So, fourth no.
Oo.
Mali.
Eh?
Yeah. Display 4.
Fourth position.
Press 2.
Okay.
Display 4.
Same na position.
Okay. Press 2 ulit.
Okay.
Display 4.
Hanapin mo yung 4.
First position. Display 1.
Same na position na stage 1, so position 4.
Press 2. Display 3.
Same na label ng stage 4.
So, anong number?
2.
Nice. Symbols. Baliktad na question mark.
Go.
Gagamba. Smiley face na may dila. Baliktad na P.
Baligtad na question mark, gagamba, smiley face na may dila, tas letter B.
P.
Okay.
Penis.
Pindutin mo yung letter B.
Okay.
P?
Hindi, ano pala siya? Q na may, para siyang axe na nasa kaliwa yung blade.
Yun muna.
Okay.
Tapos yung gagamba. Tapos question mark, tas smiley face.
Okay. Blue, yellow button detonate.
Yellow button detonate. Ilan battery?
3.
Pindutin mo tapos, pindutin mo lang.
Okay. Words,
Huwag
hold
mo
on.
i-hold.
30 seconds na lang tayo.
Hold on. Hold on? Oh, fuck. Okay, yung words. I see. Okay.
Yeah, words.
Wala na.
Alright, ulit.
Lower right. Yeah.
Sige,
Saan tayo nagtagal?
Dun sa wires ata. Hindi ko rin alam eh.
Legit?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Okay, sige.
Alright. Sayang, muntik na natin ma-first try. Isang module na lang.
Kaya
Ipin
Kaya
ako mahirap
naman.
muna ulitan. Ipin pinakamahirap muna tayo. And then, password tayo nagtagal. Walang password. Gusto mo may
Oh, yeah,
password?
medyo matagal ako sa password.
Walang password
Hindi,
ngayon
wag na.
dito eh.
Ikaw na,
Wag na?
ikaw na
Sige.
lang yung makuha natin.
Okay. 12 wires.
Oh, yeah, magaling ako dyan.
Black 1A, red 3C.
Black 1A, red 3C. Cut mo yung pareho.
Blue 4A, blue 5C, black 6A.
Cut mo yung 5C, tsaka 6A.
Red 7B, red 8A, blue 9C.
Cut mo yung 7B, tapos 8A. Yun lang.
Red 10B, red 11C.
Wala kang kakat.
Nice. Now we have maze. Second column
Okay.
parehong bilog. Second column first row. Second column last sixth row.
Nasaan ka?
Nasa sixth column third row. Tapos ang target ay third column first row.
Third column, first row. Oh my God. Up, up,
Okay.
left, down, left, up, left.
Nice. Do we have words?
Next. Okay.
No one nakalagay.
Bottom right.
Aha na may H.
Go.
Letter U. Next. Sure. Your. And then aha na may H. Your
Aha na may
Y-O-U-R.
H.
Y-O-U-R. Okay, aha na may H.
Aha na may H. Yeah.
And then Y-O-U-R-E.
Middle right.
Left.
Okay.
Ready. Tatlong H. Wait. Nothing. Left at what? Na walang question mark.
Ulit nga.
Ready. Na tatlong H. Wait.
Okay.
Nothing. Left. What? Na walang question mark.
What na walang question mark?
Mali.
Eh?
Yeah. Naka-display ay word na display.
Bottom right.
Yes.
Go.
First, what? Wait, nothing, yes.
Yung na may letter, na may tatlong H.
Yeah.
Yun.
Display is nothing na word.
Middle left.
U-R. Y-O-U-A-R-E.
Y-O-U-A-R-E. Okay.
Letter U. U-R. Hold. Aha na may H. Like, sure.
Like.
Nice. Simple wires.
Okay. Ilan?
5. White, yellow, red,
Okay.
yellow, blue.
White, yellow, red, yellow, blue. Sector 1 red. There's more than one yellow. First war.
Symbols. Smiley
Okay.
face, dila, alien na tree, star na merong shade, at gura.
Unahin mo sigura. Yung smiley face. Yung alien na tree. Tapos yung star
Okay.
na may shade.
Then, button na may hold na puti.
Hold mo.
Yellow.
5 in any position.
Nice. And complicated wires, last one. Memory game muna pala. Memory game. Display
Okay.
4.
Press mo yung nasa 4th position.
Press 3.
Okay.
Display 4.
Press mo yung same position.
Press 1. Display 3.
Okay. Press mo yung nasa 3rd position.
Press 2. Display 3.
Same position na nasa stage 2. So, fourth position ulit.
Press 2. Display 2.
Same label na nasa stage 2. So, that yung 2.
Mali.
1 pala. Fuck!
Hala. Okay. Display 4.
Sad.
Display 4.
Fourth position.
Press 4. Display 4. Same position na.
Same position.
Press 3.
Okay.
Display 3.
Third position.
Press 1.
Okay.
Display 2.
Press the first position.
Press 3. Display
Okay.
4.
Same label. 1. Hanapin mo yung 1.
Okay. Complicated wires. We have
Okay.
star.
Star lang.
Mhm.
Cut mo.
We have red, blue, light.
Red, blue, light. Meron bang, ano yung last digit ng serial number?
Last digit serial number 4.
Cut mo.
Red, blue, star.
Red, blue, star. May parallel port?
Wala.
Wag mo i-cut.
Hindi umabot. Sorry.
Sad. Hindi, mali ako.
Malapit na tayo. Doon lang tayo, nadalas lang tayo sa memory game.
Yeah.
Kaya to. Magandang finale to. Kaya to. Simple wires, we have password. Dalawang password. Password muna tayo.
Okay, sige.
JGAHET.
JGAHET.
Yep. And then MEZY boy A.
Okay.
TOZ dog UW.
Okay.
JM as in mad WUGQJ.
Okay.
And then RZT B boy I victory RZ. May isa pang letra pa.
Ulit nga.
Okay, so T as in trick, B boy I India V victory R romance Z, and then balik tayo sa trick.
Okay. The DMT, A, about, AB, about,
May isa pang password game.
Yeah.
HK.
Sabihin mo na lang yung tatlong una.
Okay.
Wag na natin gawin yung 4 5 column.
HK PIS LRT.
Okay.
HGRA boy MHG. M as in
Ulit?
master. Okay. So
Okay, next.
okay na ba? Okay. S
Yeah.
Z Y G I N as in no S Z.
Okay na. P, R, O, H, A, H, walang H, wala K, walang K, T, P, D, P, no, P, L, A, L, wala T, H, I. Sabihin mo yung fourth column.
N at M boy K P D as in dog.
THIN. Oh my God, fuck this. Ano yung limang column? Asshole yung gumawa nito.
RUKZ Victory
Think,
Boy.
think, think, think,
Okay.
think, 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 think. Dude, may think, tsaka may think. Ang stupid.
Inisip talaga nila yan. Maze.
Yeah?
Circles are first column, second. First column, second row, sixth column, third row.
Okay, go.
Ako ay
Nasaan ka?
nasa sixth column, first row. Ang target ay first column, fifth row.
First column, fifth row? Legit?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ulit tayo?
Ulit? Sige. Wait,
Yeah.
try mo pa rin yung maze.
Alam mo kung ano?
Try pa rin natin. Gusto try. 4
Left,
minutes.
left, left, down, right, down, left, down, left, up, right, up, left, down, hanggang dumabot ka dun sa ano. Tapos right.
Wait. Okay. Word game.
Nagawa mo?
Yeah, nagawa ko.
Okay.
Word game.
Okay.
YOUR.
YOUR. Middle right.
Right. RIGHT.
Okay.
What? Press wait. Blank. Right ready. What na walang question mark?
Ready.
They na may RE.
Okay. Bottom left.
YOURE.
Okay.
Sure next your na walang RE. YOU tapos U at R na letra.
UR.
Huh? UR na letra. Wala.
U at R. Oh.
Mali.
Wait. Magkahiwalay ba yung YOURE na tas YOUR? Dalawa yun?
YOURE tapos YOUR. Oh, yung isa
Oh
possessive,
my
yung isa
God! Akala ko
descriptor. Ulit na
hindi,
tayo.
as in yung sinabi mo.
Masyado ko mabilis sinabi yan. Okay, ulit.
Yeah.
Ang malas
Sabi mo
natin
your
dun.
na tapos
Dalawang password game. Hayop na yan.
yeah. Tapos ang asshole pa nung isa.
We got, ano to? Dalawang Morse code naman ngayon. Hayop. Okay.
Okay.
Mamaya na yan. Red button hold.
Ilan yung
Battery. Isang malaki. Wait. Tatlo battery.
ano yung lit indicator?
Wala. Hindi siya naka-red.
Okay. Hold mo.
Blue.
Wait, red na hold?
Red na hold. Naka-hold na. Kulay blue yung nagfa-flash the bar.
Antay mo yung 4.
Okay. Mali.
Kaya nga press and hold mo lang press and release.
Ito ulit.
Yeah, ulit.
yung mahirap mo nga anahin natin, feel ko. Nakakatakot yung dalawang Morse code. Password game na naman. Okay. Password game.
Okay.
R Victory W Y A K.
Okay.
Nice C Z W O K.
Okay.
X Nice Victory R Y S. L I S Nice C A.
Okay.
R Boy L Dog G A R.
Okay.
May nagawa akong anvil.
Anvil. Walang ganun dito.
Yep.
Wow. World.
Okay.
Zawarudo.
Nasa ordo pa nga. Okay. And then, Morse code.
Okay.
Wait lang. Hintayin ko yung matagal. Dash, dot, dot, dot. Dot, dot. Dot, dot, dot. Dash. Dash, dash. Dot. Dash. 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 Dash, dot, dot, dot.
3.552.
Nice. Then, meron tayong maze.
Okay.
First column pareho, and then first and fourth na row.
Okay. Nasan ka?
First column, fifth row. Ang target ay fifth column, sixth row.
Fifth column, sixth row. Right, 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 down.
Okay. 12 wires.
Okay.
Red 1A, blue 2B, red 3B.
Red 1A, blue 2B,
Red 3B.
B, cut
Boy.
mo yung 2B, tsaka 3B.
Black 4A, blue 6B.
Blue 6B, cut mo yung black 4A.
Black 7A, blue 8C, black 9C.
Cut mo yung 7A.
11, red 11 silang meron.
Red 11C, wag mo i-cut.
Nice. Okay, blue button abort. Tatlong
Wait lang.
battery tapos white ang indicator. Tapos SND ang indicator.
Ano yung letters ng indicator?
SND.
Blue na abort?
Blue na abort.
Hold mo.
Red.
Antay mo may 1.
Okay. Nice. We have simple wires.
Okay.
6 wires.
Okay.
Yellow, blue, yellow, black, black, white.
Yellow, blue, yellow, black, white.
Yep.
Yellow,
blue, yellow, black, black.
Yellow. Cut mo yung last wire.
Nice. We have symbols.
Okay.
B na may letter, B na may parang strike through na telepono.
Okay.
C na may
Go.
tuldok.
Okay.
Q na palakol, nasa kaliwa yung blade.
Okay.
And then 3 na alien.
Yung B, C, Q, 3.
Okay. Simon says, no strikes, green.
May bawel yung serial number?
Nakalimutan ko yung vowel. Let me check. Kasi yung putik na serial number na yun. Meron.
May vowel? No strike? Green, yellow?
Green, blue.
Yellow, red?
Green, blue, red.
Green, blue, red. Yellow, red, blue?
Green, blue, red, green.
Yellow, red, blue, yellow.
Green, blue, red, green, red.
Yellow, red, blue, yellow, blue.
GG! 2 minutes!
Ay!
2 minutes! Holy shit!
Oh!
That was so good.
Damn!
Wait.
Pang
Mataas mo to
ilang
score
percent
ito.
tayo?
Check ko. Top 32%?
Top 32. Yeah, baby.
Holy. Top 32%? Nice. Nice.
Okay.
GG.
Nice one ulit.
GG. Holy shit.
Ang bilis ko dun sa
Kaya
Morse
nga,
code
ang
sa'yo
bilis
nun.
mo. Yung Morse code tas yung password, ang bilis mo nun.
Isang isang ano lang dun sa Morse code eh, isang
Kaya
daan
nga
mo lang
eh.
sa Morse code nakuha ko agad eh.
Alright. Next time, needy na.
Ayoko na.